Castello di Grinzane Cavour, located in the heart of Piedmont, Italy, is hailed as one of the most beautiful villages in the region. This historic borgo, dating back to the 13th century, boasts a majestic castle that stands proudly on a hill overlooking picturesque vineyards and rolling hills. The village's medieval charm is evident in its cobbled streets, ancient buildings, and traditional architecture, transporting visitors back in time. The Castello di Grinzane Cavour, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, adds to the allure, showcasing a rich history and offering breathtaking views of the surrounding landscapes. As a renowned wine-producing area, the Borgo offers wine enthusiasts an opportunity to sample exquisite local wines and indulge in regional gastronomic delights. Additionally, its warm and welcoming community ensures that every visitor feels at home, making Castello di Grinzane Cavour a must-visit destination for those seeking an authentic and enchanting experience in Piedmont.